Hey guys, how's it going? Today, I'm going to be showing you how to set up one of these in your apartment. It's as dark as a cave in here, so we're going to fix that. We're going to go into my friend's room, and we're going to ask him where he'd like the lamp in his room. So let's get started. Alright, so Kevin, where would you like the lamp in your room?
How about here? This seems like a nice area, right?
Oh yeah, that's a great idea.
Could use some light.
Now you got that command hook and the tape from our Robust Innovations kit. Yeah, you got it.
There we go.
Oh wow.
Throw it down on the ground, alright? And...
Wow, perfect fit. Alright, so he mounted it, put it on a nice place. And so next, he's going to take the frame of the lamp and find the hole.
Alright,
and hang it from that hook. Right, so Kevin mounted the second sticky part on the command hook, and now he's going to put that command hook through the other hole.
There's another hole
right
down
here.
Oh,
Bam.
there we go.
And he's going to apply a little bit of tension, so light, and just put it right on the bottom. And now the frame is fully mounted. Check that out.
Wow.
Yeah, we got this set up. So now, all Kevin has to do is plug in the light.
Plug it in. Boom.
And next, he'll take off the frame and hang the light where it's going to be in the long term. And before you put that frame back on, you can't forget the bulb.
Oh, yes.
Ooh.
That was a close call.
That was a close call. So you screw that baby in. And then you put the frame right back where it was. And the light is nearly ready. So all Kevin has to do is take the actual lampshade itself, and from these two hooks, hang it from the top of our frame, which he's going to do. He's going to be careful, and he's going to take the two bottom rings right here, and he's going to make them grab the bottom part of the frame. See. So he did it on this side. Made the hook grab the bottom, and on the other side. So we make the hook grab the bottom. Nice. And now you can see it's poking out on the sides here, and so Kevin's gonna tuck it in.
Boom.
And if you see, if you look at the sides here, where it's a little ruffled, you just grab it and slightly, ever so lightly, just pinch it up and tuck it in.
Whoa!
Oh, that looks great. Yeah.
Wow.
Woo. It's exciting.
Damn. That actually looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, like in person, it looks so different.
Yeah.